Hi, the SI meteorologist Paul Dorian here on Tuesday, December 10th. Snow is coming down hard here across the Philadelphia region, all the way throughout the suburbs, and all the way up and down I-95. Basically, a wall of snow has moved into the region. It will continue to snow hard for the next few hours, but this is a very fast-moving system. It will be pretty much all out of here by the middle part of the afternoon. In fact, perhaps even by the early afternoon, the snow will start winding down from the west to the east in the I-95 corridor. Looks like on average maybe 3 to as much as 6 inches of snow could fall in a short period of time. Obviously, road conditions are very poor right now. If you are at work, stay at work and just ride it out. Again, the snow will end quickly this afternoon. If you are at home, stay at home, as the road conditions are just pretty awful throughout the I-95 corridor. So again, a quick moving system dumping 3 to as much as 6 inches of snow on the I-95 corridor over the next few hours. Here's the latest radar loop. You can see the back edge already into the central part of Maryland, central Virginia, as it races to the east. Again, some heavy snow over the next few hours, but it all winds down quickly this afternoon. Well, here's the current surface map, and here's a low pressure system responsible for our snow. Again, it moves really quickly over the next few hours. It's supported by a strong upper level jet streak, which we'll see in a moment. Colder air lining up to our north and west will generate another round of Arctic air for the second half of the week. Basically, once this storm passes by, again, the precipitation, snow should end this afternoon, and then very cold conditions from tonight through the end of the week. Wednesday, Thursday, Friday promise to be very cold and dry, and then we'll deal with a significant storm over the weekend. We'll talk a little bit about that in a moment. Well, here's a current look at the 300 millibar level way up in the atmosphere, and it shows a very strong jet streak. This whole region in purple right here represent areas of 150 plus knots of wind, and that's helping to produce the snow. The I-95 corridor in this region right here is in an upward motion sector related to this jet streak, and again, that is causing the snow bands this morning. Heavy snow, a quick moving system. Again, this jet streak giving it support and also helping to move things out rather quickly, so the snow ends very quickly during the early to mid-afternoon hours. Well, let's take a quick look at the upcoming situation over the weekend. A significant storm looks like it's in the offing for the weekend. However, it's too close to call whether it would be rain, snow, or some combination of the two. This is last night's Zero-Z GFS model run for Saturday evening, the early evening hours. One low over here in the Ohio Valley, but there's kind of a reflection of a developing secondary low closer to the coast. But again, this typically a rain-snow line well to the north and west of the I-95 corridor, insinuating rain is certainly a possibility. Let's now jump ahead 6 hours. And here's the forecast map for late Saturday evening, early Sunday morning. That low kind of takes over along the east coast. Still, however, well above freezing here in the I-95 corridor. So again, it looks like a significant storm, but odds tend to favor rain. Let's now jump ahead to Sunday morning. Well, by Sunday morning, that low consolidates off the New England coast. Perhaps some heavy snow up in the northern part of New England, maybe the rest of New England as well. By this time, it starts to dry out here in the mid-Atlantic region from New York on south to D.C. with strong winds and yet another cold air mass moving into the mid-Atlantic region. So a quick thumping this morning, heavy snow for the next few hours, will wind down quickly this afternoon. If you are at work, stay at work. If you are at home, stay at home, and just ride it out. If you're at work, wait till the end of the day to leave. By then, conditions should rapidly improve as all of it winds down in the early to mid-afternoon hours. That's it for now. For the SIweather.com, I'm meteorologist Paul Dorian.